Welcome. If you've ever wondered how to view your Instagram highlights right from your PC, you're in the right place. With the latest update, Instagram has made it easier than ever to access all your favorite memories, even when you're not on your phone. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to see your highlights using the Instagram app on your computer. First, make sure you have the Instagram app installed on your PC. If you haven't downloaded it yet, just head over to the Microsoft Store and get it set up. Once you're ready, open the Instagram app. When the app launches, look towards the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you straight to your profile page, where all your posts, followers, and following details are displayed. Now focus on the area just below your bio section. Here, you'll notice a row of circles. These are your Instagram highlights. Each circle represents a different highlight you've created, whether it's your favorite vacation, special events, or anything else you've chosen to save from your stories. To view a specific highlight, simply click on the circle you want to see. The highlight will open up and you can watch all the stories you've added to it, just like you would on your phone. You can click through each story, pause, or go back, enjoying your memories in full screen. This new update brings the convenience of mobile Instagram right to your desktop, making it easy to revisit your highlights anytime you want. Whether you're working, studying, or just browsing, you can access all your saved moments without reaching for your phone. That's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you can view, relive, and even manage your Instagram highlights directly from your PC. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tips and tricks on making the most of your Instagram experience. Thanks for watching, and happy scrolling.